Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe and join the family. So today I thought I would just show you guys a what's in my bag video, because since this whole quarantine and all this madness has been happening, I've been switching up what I keep in my bag. Like, there's just a lot more important things I like to keep in my bag now. So yeah, I thought I would just share with you guys what I keep in here. So if you guys are wondering what bag I carry, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing, you know, bougie. It's really just a little black purse. It has a little silver zipper right here, a small handle, and then also a shoulder strap, because those are my favorite kinds of bags to carry because it's just so much easier to hold and you can wear it crossbody. So yeah, this was from Forever 21 and I got it for literally $12.50. So if you guys want it, definitely check it out and use like Forever 21's coupon code. This isn't sponsored, I just really love this bag and I wanted to share with you guys. But yeah, let's just get into what's inside of my bag. So the first thing that normally would be in there would be my phone, obviously, just because you carry around your phone everywhere you go. So I like to have my phone in there. And then what's actually in there right now, I have my next most important thing, which would be like my keys and my little wallet. So this is a little, like, I don't know what you call this, like a card holder kind of, or like a mini wallet keychain. And I got this from Tory Burch. That's just what it looks like. I got this for Christmas, I believe, and this is super handy. I totally recommend you guys getting something like this because it just saves so much space in your room. It just saves so much space in your purse. You don't have to like put an extra wallet in there and then a bunch of keychains in there. You just have this whole thing all in one. Plus, if you guys go to like a party or like, I don't know, whenever I go downstairs to like get a package, I don't like to carry my whole purse around. I kind of just like to carry one thing, so you can just take this and be good to go. So definitely recommend getting one of these. And then the next thing I have in here are just some hair ties, you know, simple. So I have this scrunchie, it's just a nude one from Amazon, and then this kind of rubber band. These are the best ones. I really recommend these. They're just perfect because they don't rip out your hair. And then I have a pad because, you know, you never know when that time of the month is gonna come, and you know, if someone ever needs one, like your friends or just someone random, you can have one and give them to them and be a lifesaver. Trust me, it's happened to me a lot and people have thanked me. I have a post-it note just in case I want to write down any video ideas or things I need to do that are on my mind. I like to just have that in there. And then I have some alcohol prep pads. These are super important for me because whenever I go out to the grocery store or whatnot, I like to just take one out once I'm in my car and wipe down my phone and my keys, because you never know, like your phone is really dirty and you want to make sure you clean it often. So that's why I keep these in here. And then what else do we have in here? I have some hand sanitizer because obviously you want to keep your hands clean, like everything should be clean. So I just have this one from Bath & Body Works. It's almost out, but I have more. And then I have a little contacts case. This is just like a random one I got from like Target or something. And I like to keep this in here just in case I'm wearing like contacts that day and they're bugging me and I want to take them out. I have a case. And then I have my camera charger in here because I've been trying to vlog a lot more. So I like to just keep a camera charger in there just in case my camera dies, which the camera is about to die, so gotta charge it soon. And then let's see, I have a bunch of lip products. I like my options, I guess. So I just have an Eos Lip Balm just in case my lips get chapped. And then I have a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is one of my favorite lip products. It is in the shade Abu Dhabi. It's just a matte color. And then if I'm feeling like I want a glossy moment, I'll use this one. It's just by AOA. It's like a really cute pinky color. And then I have my AirPods in here because I like to listen to music whenever I'm not driving. Let's say I'm just like the passenger or something, I like to listen to music. And so having my AirPods with me is one of my essentials. And then let's see, I have a random pen in here because you never know when you have to sign something or write something down. Trust me, a lot of people don't carry pens in their bags. Make sure you carry one. And then I have some of this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is something that I consider super essential in my bag, especially if you're the type of person who wears falsies a lot and you wear falsies on the daily. Nothing is more annoying than having like your inner corner of your lashes coming off and like the wind is blowing and you can feel it like flying off. I've literally just been obsessed with keeping this in my purse so I can just go to the bathroom and reapply my lashes back onto my eyes. And then last thing I have in here, you guys might make fun of me, but if you guys ever go to like Buffalo Wild Wings or you go to like Kick and Crab or somewhere where they have these, I recommend taking like a few, not all of them, just a few. They're just these little like hand wipes, so if you're ever in the car, like at the gas station, or you're in like a porta potty for some reason and they don't have a, like they don't have a sink there, you can always just wipe down your hands to get it clean. So yeah. Oh, and then here's one last thing actually. This isn't actually in my bag, but normally it would be in there. I just have my camera case. This one is just black and it's from Amazon. I really like having a camera case because I don't want like my camera to get all dirty and dusty and gross. So I like to keep a camera case in there. Obviously my camera is not in there right now, but normally it would be. So yeah, I think that's everything that's in my bag. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. I really liked making it for you guys. Don't forget to comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!